Ethan, what is a deposition?
Well, the quickest answer to what a deposition is that it's sworn live testimony under oath. Let me expand on that. In the world of civil litigation, and we're going to leave aside all criminal prosecutions because typically depositions do not occur in those cases. In the world of civil litigation, there's many times where we need testimony from one side or the other for any number of reasons, whether it's to preserve the testimony for trial, whether it's to simply learn facts about the case, try to get admissions from the other side. We need to preserve that testimony, learn the testimony. So the rules allow us, that's the lawyers, both plaintiff and defense, to set up with the other lawyer or through a subpoena to make sure that the witness, the deponent, comes to an agreed upon location, typically a lawyer's office at his conference room, or at a hotel conference room, anywhere where you can reserve a conference room. We'll have a conference room table, and then we call in a court reporter. A court reporter is typically a stenographer, somebody that's trained to type as people speak in a type of shorthand. Other times they record it with their voice. The bottom line is that the court reporter is trained to take down every single thing that is said. Then the attorneys will simply ask questions. Typically the person who noticed the deposition, that's the person who asked for the deposition, will go first. Simply ask questions to the witness. Under oath, the witness is required to answer the questions. Now the rule says that it shall proceed as at trial. That means anything that a lawyer would be able to do in a courtroom at trial, meaning asking of questions, is permitted at the deposition. Of course, there's no judge at the deposition. The lawyers have to govern themselves. So typically, all questions are fair game with the exception of a few types of questions that involve privilege, meaning discussions between attorneys and clients, husbands and wives, priests and parishioners, those types of things. Otherwise, everything is fair game and it can be sorted out at trial. Once the deposition is over, the court reporter, upon request, will transcribe the deposition into a format so that you have a written transcript. Sometimes we videotape the depositions, also can be used at trial. And then the attorneys order those transcripts and videos and use them for whatever need that they have. That's the nutshell of what a deposition is. If you have any further questions about civil litigation, if you're going to be deposed or you think you have a lawsuit, give me a call, 740-374-5346.